Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a song as your ringtone on your Google Pixel phone. So basically, if you want to add your own custom MP3 song, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I want to point out is you have to have that MP3 file uploaded to your Google Drive account associated with your Android account. So make sure you've uploaded it to your Google Drive. And then once you've done that, you can scroll up on the home screen and then select the settings button. Go down and select sound and vibration. And then go down again and select phone ringtone. And then select my sounds. And then select the little plus icon in the bottom right corner here. And then you would just locate the file in your Google Drive account. And then it would take you back to this page once you were done. And then you would select save up at the top. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.